Alright, here is a M14 cleaning kit. This was packed in January of 1972. It's supposed to have a sling, the cleaning rods, and all the cleaning tools inside it. Let's see what we have. Alright, here it is open, and there's the empty bag. This should be the cleaning rods. We have their oiler. We have the chamber cleaning brush as well as a bore cleaning brush. I believe that's the case for the cleaning rods. There's the combination tool, and then there's the sling. As you can see, the sling has a June 69. This has a June 68. That's kind of interesting. 571, as well as that one 670. The cleaning rod has the same January 72 marking on it, so it's kind of interesting. These probably were made by different manufacturers and at different times, and then all packed up in one into storage. Let's see what's inside everything else. Take a look at the sling. Daubert Chemical Company, Oak Brook, Illinois, June 69. Let's get that out of the wrap. Alright. It's a pretty nice sling. There's a MRT marking. Can't make out what that is, but oh yeah, we're in pretty good shape. All the steel parts seem to be pretty good. This part seems to have a little bit of corrosion on it, but that's not something I'm really concerned with. Let's take a look at the case here. Pull that out of the wrap. Have the tag, 571. Yep, like I thought, that's a cleaning rod case. Has the case number on it. Seems to be in good condition. Alright, let's take a look at the cleaning rod case here. Got a little hole. Alright, it also has a June date on it. I can't see what exactly, but yeah, the cleaning rod sections all look good, and the little jag looks good here. Alright. Alright, here's the combination tool. 668. Let's see what it looks like. I just made a small little cut so we can get it out of there and preserve most of the wrap. Alright, so that's wrapped in a little cosmoline wrap as well on the inside of that. I'm sure this is the M14 tool, yep. Just as I suspected. Seems to be in good shape. Alright. Alright, there's a look at everything outside of the wrap. Haven't taken the tape off the oiler yet. But yeah, say this has a little bit of corrosion on it, the bore brush. This seems like it's in a little better shape. And you can see any markings or anything on there, but yeah, all in all, pretty decent M14 cleaning kit. That's the tool, the sling, everything. I was hoping to get one of the slings that was dated on the clasps. You'll see them occasionally on there, but this is a cotton sling, so it'll be good with either the Navy M1s, the 7.62 NATO conversions, or even an M14. Yeah, alright. Actually, I just realized there's something inside the case when I went to look for, or went to put the cleaning rods inside of it. There's something inside this case. And you'll see on camera what is inside there, because I haven't even looked yet. What is that? Oh, okay. So that must just be a plastic thread protector for the, I guess it's for that, to put that and bore brush together so you have another jointed section. That's really interesting. I did not know that those plastic little connectors there came inside the case. So, guess we figured that out. I was curious. I had seen pictures of these, and now we know. So there it is, all inside the case. This would go in one of the butt traps. This strap is just for you to be able to pull it out. And that goes inside the M14 buttstock, along with, I believe, the oiler, and this tool goes inside of here like that. And so now, unlike the Garand, I don't believe you have enough room with the long oilers to get, I guess you had a little M10 tool, so you still had it all in the package, but it's a little bit different from the Garand, but you'd have it oriented somewhat like that in your buttstock. And then you have your sling on the rifle, and so you have the entire kit, everything all together. And this also has your grease pot in one side of it. You can notice there, unlike the Garand oiler that just had a deal for your M10 tool and then oil. And so then this is what you couldn't fit in the Garand. Inside the buttstock was the chamber brush on the M10 tools. So yeah, that is really interesting. I think that's a pretty nifty kit. If you ever see one of those, now you know what comes in it and how it unboxes and assembles on the rifle, or assembles so you can put it in the rifle. Thanks. So they're oriented in the stock like this. If the rifle was pointed to the right, and this was the top of the comb, and this was the bottom of the pistol grip, this goes in the bottom compartment, and this goes in the top, oriented like that. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed the video.